Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today is another episode for the culinary expedition. Today we are in Bahrain, where I'll be preparing macarona. Let's get to it. Okay, we're going to start off with some boiling water. Now I'm just following the recipe. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil and some tomato paste. I'm just going to mix that up a little bit. Now I'm going to add the pasta. We're going to let this boil for about 7.5 to 8 minutes. Now that the pasta's cooked, we're going to start the sauce. I'm going to start off with some onions. We're just going to cook these until it's just about soft. Now that the onions are ready, we're going to add zucchini. Carrot. And garlic. And we're going to cook these and saute these until they're basically softened. Now that the rest of the veggies are ready, I'm going to add the beef mince. And we're going to break it up, brown it, and get it cooked. The mince is ready. Now it's time to add the seasoning. In this wonderful bowl is baharat, spice blend, turmeric, Hungarian paprika, Mediterranean basil, Indonesian cinnamon, garlic powder, black pepper, and kosher salt. That's going to go right in. Now that the spices are ballooned, we're going to add some tomato paste. Stir that in. Tomato paste is incorporated. We're going to add about 10 ounces of crushed tomato. We got the crushed tomatoes incorporated. We're going to add about a half cup of reserved pasta water. Get that stirred in. Now that I've got a simmer, what I'm going to do is we're going to simmer this between 5 and 7 minutes. The simmer time is up. Let's put it together. As you can see, we've got the pasta going here. And we have the sauce. We're just going to pour it right over top. Like so. And we're just going to stir away. We've taken it this far, let's take it to the last step. And here's the final presentation of Bahrainian macarona. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Have fun cooking.